if you're not getting interview calls, or if you're going to search for a job in next 3 to 6 months, this is the course for you. If you have not updated your resume for a very long time, this is the course for you. There are a lot of people who are into the resume writing business, and I have a lot of respect for them. But I strongly believe that one should learn to write their own resume, because you are going to give your own interview. Okay, so you need to learn to write your own resume. You need to know what is ATS, applicant tracking system. You need to know how to build or insert keywords into the resume. You need to know why you're not getting interview calls. Okay, you need to know the structure of the resume, the content of the resume, and the format of the resume, how to get free and sample formats, how to make it good looking. All of that we will learn inside this workshop. I will share my experience from the other side of the table, which is as a hiring manager or as a recruiter. What are people looking for, okay, and why they will give you an interview call or why they will not give you an interview call. What are some of the do's and don'ts inside the resume making process. My name is Anand. I'm pretty active on YouTube and LinkedIn. I am an IT professional with 17 plus years of experience, hiring a lot of people, not just in India, but also outside India. And I have reviewed a lot of resumes, hundreds of resumes. In fact, on LinkedIn, I am a very active resume reviewer and resume writer. This is not just for IT professionals. I have also done resume reviews and resume writing for sales professionals, banking professionals, medical professionals, finance people, CAs. I have done it for a lot of them, senior people, mid-level people, junior people. Okay, that is why this course is for everybody. How we will approach this course is you will get videos in which you will learn step-by-step process of creating a resume. So you can take your own resume and look at the video and make the changes. Okay, and once you have updated your resume by watching all the videos and learning all the do's and don'ts and best practices, you can join the live session, Q&A session with me, a live session in Zoom meeting where you can get all your queries answered. Of course, it will be a group call. So I'm pretty excited to see you inside the course or inside the workshop. So let's begin. See you inside the course.